Good morning, team. Today is Monday, January 12th, 2026. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I know I did. Enjoyed my weekend. Mill's son, it was his birthday. So happy birthday to Max out there. Happy 15th birthday and all these other, a bunch of birthdays this weekend. So, hey, but let's get on with the morning show. Why don't we? As you guys saw, there is a disclaimer, so please be aware when investing in the market, there is a risk that you can and most likely will lose money. So please do your due diligence. Please do not take anything in this stream as financial advice. It is for educational purposes only. For more information about that, please check out our website at BluSky.pro, and you can read about our disclaimers and find out about some of our great offerings here at Blue Sky. All right, guys, let's get started with the morning levels. Why don't we? You guys let me know if y'all have any issues seeing or listening to the stream. I'm on a new circuit. I got the new router in. We are routing like top speed. So we should be getting a whole lot better speed now. All right, well, let's get started with that gold level. We got a breakout level on gold at 4,536. First take profit is at 4,566. Sell the reversal at 4,518 and a buy the reversal at 4,483. I've got a breakdown spot of 4,465 and a take profit of 4,444. S&P levels, breakout level of 7,039. First take profit is at 7,060. Sell the reversal at 7,022. Buy the reversal at 6,987. A breakdown spot of 6,970. Take profit on that breakdown at 6,949. NQ levels, got a breakout spot of 26,141. First take profit will be at 26,260. Sell the reversal at 26,041. Buy the reversal at 25,836. And a breakdown spot of 25,734. And your first take profit would be at 25,615. And those are your morning levels. If you guys find those helpful, you can catch those each and every morning inside our Discord channel. That's right. We've got a great community where we share, collaborate with all our other traders inside our Discord. So check us out today. You also don't want to miss some of our great classes that we host in the morning session or in the afternoon session. We've got trade psychology classes coming up tomorrow hosted by Coach Becky, as well as Coach Matt's mentorship this Thursday. So I hope to see you guys there at one of those classes. How's everybody doing this morning? I see we got a few folks in the audience already. You guys have a good weekend? Well, it looks like from the London Open, we started to make a nice progression to the upside. We're struggling right now at VWAP. Will we continue the upside movement? We're also in Friday's orb, so we haven't really moved much of anywhere from Friday, to be honest with you. Wait, no. Yo, this is Friday's orb. Wow. Okay, so NQ is in that level still. Oh, let's see. Boring weekend. Oh, man. Chill weekend. I ate entirely too much this weekend. I feel like super guilty about it. Oh my goodness, I still have that on. All right, let me get that off for you guys. Let's move on over to the hot charts. What's gold looking like? How are you feeling about some of that news that we saw come out with J-Pow? What do you think about that tomorrow? They're going after J-Pal now. That is crazy. Like J-Pal will commit fraud. That's not even his building. He has nothing to gain from the renovations in it. He wants to piss them off. He wants to piss those people off. You know, those are the people that control the money. They're not going to give it. They're going to make his life even more difficult. Oh, that was off. Oh, there's an off. There's an off button in this. That makes absolutely no sense. I was going through my closet, and I didn't realize I've got I was mining crypto for a minute. So I have a bunch of video cards. I have like three 3080s in my closet. I think I'm gonna build myself a new rig. I think I'm gonna build myself a rig. Period. I am gonna do it. So I'm gonna run a system with like two 3080s in it. I was gonna find myself. I think I want to get myself Intel i9, but I don't know what's that. I don't know if I should get AMD because it seems like the AMD boards are pretty good now. Open up that chat. Oh, let me make sure all my chats are up. Okay, that chat is up. Okay, I got the YouTube chats. We can't see that one. And there's that Kick chat. And there's the... All right, cool. Dang, all these chats don't fit. Yeah, I saw that stuff about J-Pod this morning or last night, and I was like, and he already made a statement. I'm just like, man, I don't know what to do, man. You're about that. We were going to start it. They were asking about invading Greenland now. It's like, dang, bro. Why are we starting wars? Anyways, let's just stick with the charts. Let's just stick with the charts. I'm not going to make it like that today. We're not doing that today. We're going to make some money. It's Monday. I want to get sidetracked. What is this saying? There's a reconnect a few seconds ago. You know what I got to do? I got to update the titles on here. Yes. Let's update these titles. Boom. All right. Titles are updated now. Nope. Can't do that there. Nice bullish trend there on gold. Will it keep it up today though? Looks like they were going to sell though. Okay, so this actually did get updated. Why does it say Monday? Why does it say Monday? That me. Oh, I think ChatGPT is cooked today. The title is just Monday. I don't think that's what it's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be Monday, not Monday. I don't know why it misspelled it. All right, that's fixed. Oh my God. He's gonna want to listen to me with my title all wrong. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go back to this. Look, that's what I get for not proofreading it and thinking it knows better. Oh, I can do drops and rewards, but I don't even have any of those coins. Mm. Okay. It might be. It might be. Maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe I'm underthinking it. I don't know. These titles are like that. Well, I got my chats up at least. I got that going. Bitcoin doing. It's not looking good on Bitcoin, that's for sure. It's not doing what I want it to do. It's not fair. Oh man. You know, Amaro, do you know who did that? They say brought the charges and instigated Trump to go after J Powell was that the housing Fed chair, that Bill Pootsy guy that brought up all those real estate charges against all those other Democrats. It's that dude again. I hope J Powell goes after him because these guys, I don't know. To me, it doesn't seem like a good idea to mess around with the Fed. Looking like we're going to pop here a little. About 9 minutes away from the open here. Silver almost at 86. Oh my God. You know what? You're right. I didn't notice how, man, gold actually ripped, didn't it? In the overnight. That's why my levels are all messed up on gold. Oh, I forgot about that. That's right. Gold already expanded. And so did silver as well. Yeah, you guys, if you guys are chasing gold and silver, just be careful because it's already overextended. Man, that is a crazy rip from Thursday. Look at that. Almost $10 in like 3 days on silver. That's a pretty strong move. Yeah, just be careful at these levels. Some volume kind of kicking in here. I think there's zero DTEs on silver and gold today, isn't there? Yes, there is. There is zero DTEs on gold and silver. So we should see some good movement here on those tickers today. Market watch. Took a short on silver. Looks like I got out too soon. Yeah, you might have. You might have. But you never know. You might be able to catch another opportunity to enter the trade. Hey, good morning, Diana Goodness. How are you doing? I'm doing great myself, ready for a Monday morning, trying to make some money here. We're going over a little bit of the pre-market right now. I'm just watching how the market is going to react here at the opening bell. Are you looking at anything here in the morning session yourself? A stop limit of 75.50. Hourly short. What do you think? Took a possibly. You're gonna see some profit taking for sure with that overnight move here into the open. I would just watch like the 200 and stuff. I don't know if we get down to 75.50. I mean, it could. That's pretty low. I would just, yeah, I'd trail it, scale out, depending on how large of a position you take on it, and then just scale out. About 5 minutes. 50% retracement on the last move. Ooh, there it is. There. Ooh, man. Overall market almost pulling back as a whole. Precious alloys, even Bitcoin now selling into the open. Maybe the market's not reacting to the weekend news very well. A lot of uncertainty, that's for sure. I think that things being thrown around brings a lot of uncertainty, and we know the market doesn't like that kind of stuff. maybe 83 to 81 today. Yeah, here on the 9 minute, if you get down to like the 81 level, that's the 200. So I would agree. I think the possibility is there. Well, we got 1 minute till open, team. Hey, good luck to you, everybody, this morning. Let's make some money, team. I'll switch over to NQ and take a gander at it. NQ is trying to push that 200 here into the open. Got about 40 seconds. You know, 5 seconds. And ding, ding, ding. There's your bell. Market pushing upwards here at the open. Wow. Okay. Okay, we're testing the orb high now. Silver bouncing off of VWAP. Bitcoin looks like it wants to pull around. Getting buy signals on NQ right now here into the open. I think they want to suppress price to 75, but I don't think they'll be able to. Depends. You know, can buyers get in and hold it and carry it over and force them to close their positions? You know, that's the hazard with the increased margin requirements. You know, the cost to participate is now much higher, so you know they don't have as much ammunition. Oh man, look at that! Look at that ES push. That is a wild push. Silver pushing and Q holding. There he goes, and Q now to the upside. Bitcoin still struggling here at the open. Can NQ hold this though, or will it reject? We're above Friday's orb high, so that's definitely a good sign. That gives us a pretty good open range up until 25,875. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Wow. Wow, that is a strong push to the upside. Oh, my Bitcoin position is actually positive. Yeah, let's go. That candle right there just helped me significantly. Holy Toledo. Wow. I'm so glad. I'm actually still trying to DCA into it right now. All right, let's take a look back at the market and see what NQ is doing. And look at that. It's attempting that 880 mark. It's attempting that 880 mark. Can we catch that long on this thing though? Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Send it. Send it. Do it. Make it a good Monday. Without me even taking that trade, already making money on it. Silver holding quite nicely. Got about 2 minutes left on this 9-minute candle to the upside. Same for ES. Still got close to testing Friday's orb high. Still has a ways to go. Friday's orb high is at 6,987. If you're looking for an area of a resistance, we're also at, oh, this is Monday's bit. Renko's have thrown the buy signal as well to the upside. Now, what will we do here on the market? Will we stall out, pull back onto the orb high? That's normally what we see. So let's see if that plays out here today. Otherwise, we miss the boat, boys. 860 right next to that VWAP. Second band looks good. Oh man, that's a push. Jeez. Wow, we are ripping to the upside now. Tesla ripping to the upside. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Actually, I took a little trade in the morning session, so I'm up just a few bucks, but it's too early for me to trade. You know, my risk to reward says that, I have to sit it out and I have to follow my rules, because if I trade without rules, it means I'm going to lose money. I'm not here to lose money. Bitcoin is moving to the upside. Wow. Wow. Broadcom is ripping to the upside. Yeah, the imbalances for this morning, S&P sell side 118 million, NASDAQ buy side 35 million, Dow sell side 77 million, Mag 7 buy side 24 million. Intel up 10%, Open Door up 13%, Nvidia down 0.1%,